Hello guys, Ka here again, and we have prepared another big and interesting project. The idea of earning money online is becoming more and more popular due to the current situation of the world. People are searching for ways how to earn money online, and there are thousands of ways. And but to be honest, they are very general and with not certain instruction how to act to create passive income. Okay, so today we are going to talk about IQ Cash platform, which will allow you to earn 300% yearly on autopilot. So let us get into the action and show you how it is possible to earn 300% yearly with IQ Cash. Cryptocurrencies are getting more and more popular each day, especially right now when dollar is standing before the largest inflation in the history, and oil charts are getting into negative percentage. The situation in the world is so uncertain that oil companies are ready to buy oil from their regular customer instead of selling. So people are actively searching for investment opportunities that would help to improve financial situation, and a lot of people are choosing cryptocurrencies as an alternative method. The latest trend in cryptocurrency industries is anonymity, because users are experiencing tons of problems with centralized sources that are just stealing your data. Generally speaking, people are searching for anonymous investment opportunities, and that is the moment when IQ Cash comes in. IQ Cash is a revolutionary payment platform for traders, investors, and miners that is providing an opportunity to do all those things anonymously. Furthermore, IQ Cash has created its own blockchain, and you have an opportunity to run a masternode and earn passive income for doing so. Basically, there are two main opportunities how to earn IQ coins. Their blockchain is very unique and provide an opportunity to mine coins, from which miner will get 43% of block reward, and other 57% of reward are going to masternode owners. So today we will show you how to run masternode and how to earn 230 to 300% per year. So not everyone from our audience will understand what are master nodes, so we will try to explain it according to dictionary.com. Okay, so here is the definition on the screen. You can see master node is defined as a governing hub in some cryptocurrency network. It requires an initial collateral of token, or you can say a stake, to operate. A node is defined as a computing device, computer, phone, etc., that is maintaining a network. Cryptocurrencies are supported by a network of computers, each keeping a digital record of data known as blockchain. A computer or a phone or any computing device that can receive, transmit, or to contribute to the blockchain is a node. Okay, here you can see a node is more than just a node. A master node is more than just a node. It has managing role and a special job that regular nodes don't have. Okay, so in other words, master node is a software that is running on your computer device that is checking blockchain transactions and get reward for doing so. Okay, so here you can see on my screen, this is the website where you can monitor the most expensive master nodes for the biggest cryptocurrencies. As you can see, for example, you can run a dash master node that would bring you around 6 to 7% yearly, and the price of this whole thing is around 83,000 USD. And if you look a little bit down, you can see IQ Cash masternode that is generating around 230% per year and cost only 280 USD. If you click on IQ Cash, you will see all the detailed statuses. So for running a masternode, you will get around 1.6 USD a day each day, or you can say 1.7 each day, and 621 USD per year. So you will get 18.2 IQ Cash per day, and will be able to sell those token on exchange, and we will show you later or reinvest or run more masternodes. Now we will explain you how to set up a IQ Cash masternode easy and fast, and to earn 300% revenue per month without doing anything. Okay, so the setup is really easy and you will need 5 quick steps. So first of all, you will need to purchase 3000 IQ token to eligible to run a masternode, and you can find all exchanges where IQ cash token is listed, and use anyone to purchase the requested amount. It doesn't matter on which exchange you are going to buy tokens. You can do some research and find an exchange that provide the best price. A small advice is to purchase 3001 token IQ tokens, because you will need to spend 1 token for transaction commission by withdrawing your token. Second step is IQ Cash has created an article where it is described how you can purchase your node easy and quick. So let us go through this article together for better understanding. To start with, you will need to download Flits app from Google or Apple Store depending on your device. When the program has downloaded, just open it and click on new wallet. You will need to get 24 words as a secret key to your wallet. Write them down. It is extremely important, otherwise if you will lose the access to your wallet. After that, you will need to verify the secret words. The app will ask you to fill 3 random words, so it is very important to save those words. Okay, after you are done, click on start using Fits. On the next window, click on new wallet and find IQ Cash. Once you gained access to your wallet, you can deposit your IQ Cash to coins from exchange. Then next important step is to cover Flits fees to running a master node. So the fees are pretty low and around 1.99 euro per month. So to fill your wallet for fees, you will go to personal tab and to fee and payments. Now you can choose between FLS coin and BTC. FLS is Flits coin, okay, and BTC is Bitcoin. So you can deposit one of both coin to those addresses and you will be converted into euro to cover fees. Okay, there you are. If you are not familiar with exchanges and crypto in general, you can just fill this form. Provide your IQ Cash and FLS coin from the Flits app. Pay to 350 USD and you will get everything credit in your wallet. Okay. When you are successfully deposit your crypto, just click on deploy, search for IQ Cash, select the number of masternodes and click confirm. Done, your masternode is generating rewards for you. Well, there are another masternode provider where you will be able to purchase an IQ Cash node. If you want to know about those providers, you can leave a comment and we will tell you more about them. According to me, the conclusion is, all in all, IQ Cash is a good investment. IQ Cash is a serious project that provides an enormous investment opportunities for all people from all around the world. Okay, IQ Cash allows you to earn 300% yearly by basically doing nothing. A masternode setup will cost you 5 to 10 minutes of your time and you can forget about it. Moreover, you can have an opportunity to increase your income. Instead of selling your coins, you can accumulate another 3000 IQ Cash coin and run another masternode, which will bring you as much twice as passive income. Okay, so that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and got the understanding how to generate 300% yearly on autopilot using IQ Cash. And if you do not understand some steps, you can ask us in the comment section down below. We will answer you, and all the related articles, guidelines and links are in the description of the video as always. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.